What's going on, guys? Welcome back. It is Friday here. Hope you guys are having a great day. This is my third post today, so I am getting ready to get out of here. Okay, so on this post, I will be talking about BakerySwap, Bake USD, and see what could be going on in here because it looks like it could be getting quite a bit of a bounce. We're going to be taking a look into the charts and see some key levels that it could break above or break below for some both upside or downside targets. So if that sounds good to you, we're going to dive right into the charts here. I'm going to be giving you guys my personal opinion and sentiments on this market later in this video. But of course, none of what I'm saying is financial advice. I am not an elite trader or financial advisor of any sort, even though I am a profitable trader who's managed to keep most of my profits in the last bear market, but I am looking to crush it in the next bull cycle here. So if you guys feel the same way, do subscribe, like, and let's dive right into it. So currently we do have BakerySwap here at about almost 11 cents here. This is on the daily time frame. We're going to take a look into the higher time frames here and see more clearly what could be going on first. So on the monthly time frame here, we do have a double bottom that could be playing out here with bullish divergence. Now, this is a monthly time frame, and it could take some time to play out. It looks like the price action here, at least according to this Binance chart, that it has basically reached its all-time lows here at about 8.4 cents in that area, right? So it could be that this price action is playing out a double bottom pattern here. We do have let's take a look into the lower time frames, starting with the weekly. What the price action did look like, it had a double bottom pattern here as well. It looked like it was trying to break out. This neckline was at about 12 cents. Price action looked like it was going to break out, but it did break back into this pattern. In my opinion, that is a fake out. So let's take a look into a smaller time frame here, where we can get a more clear look on what exactly has went on. Looks like the price action on this daily time frame had a this is a head and shoulders pattern, right? You have one shoulder, head, shoulder, neckline. Price action broke below it. However, price action did come back up here and reclaimed um uh basically it has reclaimed that neckline, which was at about 10 cents. Quite a bit of volatile price action here, right? Broke back below it, now basically back on top of it. So just on this very short time frame here, I'm keeping in mind that on the monthly time frame, there is a possible double bottom playing out. And on this daily time frame, very immediately, there's going to be resistance coming here at about 14 cents. But what I'm really looking at is the daily 200 SMA at this shorter time frame, because that is a major moving average. Currently coming down, currently at about 15.5 cents, but it is coming down, right? Let's go back to that monthly time frame. Double bottom. So the neckline for this double bottom would be about, as you guys can see, it would be about 37 cents, where this wick was at in February 2023. If we get a monthly candle close on top of 37 cents, that tells me that this price action is breaking out with higher likelihood, right? However, if the price action starts breaking, I think the previous low here was at about 8.5 cents in that area. It could be making some new lows. So how I actually look at the charts to give me more clues on which scenario is playing out would be coming down to the smaller time frames. The daily would be the lowest of the higher time frames I keep track of. And depending on the scenario, I would even zoom into the 15 minutes or the hourly time frames as well. But I think in this case, it would be the daily that I'll be keeping more track of to tell me what's going on the monthly time frame, right? Because like I said, that 37-cent area, which is the neckline of that double bottom pattern, tells me with more likelihood that it's playing out to the upside. Of course, there's quite a bit of way to go between now and that neckline. And on the downside, if it starts breaking, I think 8.5 area with daily candle close, I think this was it. Yeah, basically, if it starts coming down here, this was the previous bottom, 8.3 to be exact, or 8.25. That tells me it's not looking good and it's probably going to be making some new lows. And in that case, we're going to have to revisit this chart and rechart and potentially see what's going on at that point, right? But right now, immediately 14 cents, and then that daily 200 SMA. Let's take a look into the other major moving averages, right? We do have the 3-day 50, 14 cents, right? That's basically pretty close to what I mentioned there. Basically, this top right here, where I would expect sellers to come in, right? Um, and then the 3-day 200 is not going to be here for a while. That's the orange line coming down, currently about 31 cents. Weekly moving average, it's going to be the weekly 21 SMA, which is at about 13 cents in that area. Weekly 50 SMA at about 17 cents. That's coming down as well. So quite a bit of resistance. So I don't expect a smooth way up, right? Taking into consideration of these moving averages that are going to be resistances. Let's see if there's any other pattern that's in play right now on the shorter time frames. Basically, I think what I'm really seeing is I don't think it has formed any particular pattern yet since this breakdown right here. Right, and then reclaim the level, lost the level again, and then reclaim that neckline there. And then basically on the weekly time frame, this was a fake out. So I don't see any particular pattern on this daily time frame just yet, but I will be updating on that if enough of you guys do want to continue seeing this coin here. But I'm paying attention to the monthly time frame. The resistances I'm talking about, and then if any patterns do form here on this daily time frame. Now, my personal sentiment on this market is going to be depending a lot on Bitcoin, right? I've been talking about this over and over again. Bitcoin currently at about 26,000 very quickly because I've already done this 2 times today. The major scenario I'm looking at would be this double top. Huge breakdown if the breakdown is confirmed. Weekly 50 SMA approaching. And then another scenario is this rising channel pattern. However, price action can still get rejected at about that 27.3, 27.5 area, which is basically where the weekly 200 and the daily 200 SMA are at. If the price action is able to reclaim those levels, then it could come back up here to about a 32K area and completes this cup and handle pattern, which would look good for the crypto markets as a whole, because I think a lot of altcoins do move with Bitcoin, right? And if Bitcoin is smashed, I think most of the altcoins will as well. So I'm still long on this market. I still have positions open for Bitcoin, Ethereum longs, and some altcoins as well, but not BakerySwap. That's basically my take on this market. Not financial advice, of course. Do your own due diligence on this because, you want to. I mean, if this is interesting to you, you should be looking into learning technical analysis yourself to do your own analysis real time, right? So go verify what I'm saying. go do your charts. And if you guys have made it this far into this video and don't already have a Webull account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away free stocks if you guys open an account and deposit 100 US dollars, and the free stocks will be valued from $3,000 to $3,000 depending on your luck. Terms and conditions do apply. I did enjoy using Webull as a beginner's exchange to trade both crypto and US stocks, but with any exchanges, I would not have most or all of my money on one exchange. Because like we have seen exchanges gone down recently. So I personally spread my funds around several exchanges in case that happens. Now, that's basically it for this video. If you guys do want to see more of this, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.